As we can see right now, the COVID-19 pandemic has been on the horizon affecting everyone and the economy. Health, hygiene, and safety has become a top priority for the public during the pandemic, which sanitation become very useful for the combating against the virus. However, people are usually more concerned on disinfecting their hands rather than the premises. Some people didn't even know that the virus can be brought around through the shoe soles.
Vacuuming, sweeping, and sanitizing manually requires a lot of walking and bending, which may cause the user of feeling exhausted and having backaches. Fortunately, this project with a combination of a vacuum, sweeper, and sanitizer was created to facilitate the users, especially the elderly. The objective of our project is to clean and disinfect the floor at certain places with a robot that will do it automatically.
This robot with a combination of a sweeper, sanitizer, and vacuum function has never been into the market before. The cost will be cheaper and can be very attractive to the children.
As we can see, this is the 3D view of Bob the cleaning bot. The sweeper is placed at the front of the robot. Meanwhile, the sanitizer is placed at the back of it, and for the vacuum, it is placed in the middle. The whole function is being controlled by Arduino Uno. This is the real-life overview of it, and this is the design of the robot.
Some of the components are used from recycled materials such as containers, spray bottles, coconut husk, cardboards, broken CPU fan, and discarded toys. Whereas an ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, and L29A10 motor driver are used to program the robot. As for the sanitizer, we use the usual sanitizer that we often use, and the total cost for this project is $10. Methodology: attach the wheels, then connect it with the L29A10 motor driver. Connect the two components to the Arduino Uno. Do the coding. Build the functions from cycled materials. Install the function to the robot.
Once the switch is clicked, the three most important components of this robot will start to move. This robot will keep moving forward until it detects an obstacle such as a wall. It will reverse and turn the other way. When the sweeper and sanitizer became operational after turning them on, the robot will then move to clear its path and put out the sanitizer's liquid. Once the vacuum and sanitizer is activated, the robot will move to vacuum the rubbish on its path. After that, it will put out the sanitizer's liquid. When all of the functions are turned on, the robot will move as usual to clear its path with a sweeper and will suck the remain on the path into the vacuum, then put out the sanitizer's liquid. In case 1 will be the sweeper and sanitizer. In this case, the robot runs the sweeping and sanitizing work. The suggested areas are the classroom, veranda, and garage.
In case 2 will be the vacuum and sanitizer. In this case, the robot does the vacuuming and sanitizing work. Suggested areas are office, mall, hall, or the airport.
In case 3 will be the vacuum, sweeper, and sanitizer. In this case, the robot runs the vacuuming, sweeping, and sanitizing work at the same time. Suggested areas are inside the house, such as the living room or the bedroom.
As the result, it is shown that the robot can vacuum, sweep, and sanitize the floor simultaneously or separately as instructed by the consumer. The use of sanitizer can be maximized by turning off the vacuum and sweeper function, or vice versa depending on the needs of the consumer. Suggestion for budget cleaning: the function of vacuum can be switched off.
It is so much more convenient as I do not have to buy any more cleaning products except replacing the sanitizer once in a while once the sanitizer in the spray bottle runs out. This makes cleaning and sanitizing a whole lot easier. I rate this product 5 stars.